So yeah, I think that I spoke to one of my supervisors. They're like, yeah, you gotta have the management in place. Once you got the management in place, once you got the scientific method in place, right? Which I definitely do. I've like right now I've left a load test running for about um for a couple of for like 40 minutes or whatever, right? So that load test is running, and with the load test running, I need to formulate experiments, right, for this particular environment in which I intend to give an adequate reason for its purpose and its utilization and the benefits that it can have, right? So in order to do this, I need to put forth experiments. These experiments will generally focus around the essence of how to appropriately analyze or look at the data from a scientific perspective, how to carry out further experimentation. And so I think that as long as I focus on three key aspects, which are reinforcement learning, unsupervised learning, and supervised learning, that if I demonstrate the utilization of this environment to support those causes, then I should be able to get at least a pass, maybe even a merit, depending on how well I do the description. So basically, they want to see like evaluation metrics. What metrics am I using? How am I showing an improvement in those particular metrics? Further studies, as in how can this further be improved, and also areas of areas relating to that particular environment. And the key primary focus or reasonable purpose for this project for me is that it centers around the need to assist engineers, particularly site reliability engineers and operational personnel at that level, to have a more clear mental health process by reducing toil, right? Because toil is what ultimately leads to some of the health conditions and health problems that we've seen affecting engineers in this environment, working with these particular tools or working with this particular software in one instance or another.